Hello learners, welcome to TryWrite. Today we will be learning about the program of converting strings to uppercase. When the strings are passed in as collections, every strings will be connected to its uppercase. Now coming here, we have a given list of names and we have to convert all of them to uppercase here. Now here, following the task, first we will import all the classes further here. First we will import all the classes here as collector import from java.util.arrays and java.util.list and java.util.stream.collectors. Now coming here, we have the main class, the claim of the class, and then the main method line, and after following that, we have the list. We have the list whose generic type is string, and this list is named by the name of names. Yeah, names, and we are providing this list to arrays and the list data consists of Alice, Bob, and Charlie. Here, their data is provided in the list. And first, we will be collecting this list, and then we will converting all these lists to uppercase names. Then we will we will making a new list, but whose generic type will be string as follows, and this name will be upper names. And here we are giving the names to this names. We are giving this list names to the stream. We are giving this converting these names to the streams, and then we will providing this them to the map task will provide them, and then the collectors collect. Yeah. Now for following that, we have the output also system.out.println, and the output will be followed as follows. Here we will be giving the messages, and then the upper name as the list. It will upper names. This will be in the this is the name of the of our list. Now coming here, we have to import yeah yeah we have to import java.util.arrays as it imports the arrays utility class, and this class help us to quickly create the list from an array using arrays as list. Yeah. And import java.util.list. This will import list interface. Now these are used to share and store the original and procedure lists of the strings. Now import. Now coming further, we have the import java.util.stream.collectors. This will import the collectors class, which help us in utility method to collect the results from streams. They will collect all the results from the streams, and as the operations will be performed on them. Here, here we use collectors to list. Here we use collectors to list to gather all the final output into a list. Here we are using the collectors to list and to collect all the final output on it. Yeah. Now coming further, we have the public class. We have the given class name. This is the public class. It declares the class containing the main method and the logic. The main method, main method line. Yeah. This is the entry point of the program. This is the main method line, which states that this is the entry point of line and contains a method on it. And now coming to this list. This list strings. This list. Yeah. This creates a list of lowercase names. This creates a list of lowercase names, as whatever the names we have provided in the list, they can be of any name or whatever the name is prescribed here, even when given in the list. And arrays as list, they convert the arrays into a fixed size list. Arrays as list, this arrays as this will convert the array into a fixed size list. This will converting the array to a fixed size list. Fixed size, as we provide the number of data, that will already pre-counted data, number of data. And now the stream operations. Yeah, stream operations. The list strings. Upper names equals names dot stream. Here it let break the stream pipeline into step by step. It will let break the streams. Into different steps, step by step, as follows. The stream, this dot stream. This converts the names list it will convert the names list into the streams so that we can perform function style operations on it. I repeat, it converts the names list into a stream so that we can perform functional style operation on it. Now coming further, we have to map, dot map. You can see that we have dot map. This dot map is an intermediate operation. It is an intermediate operation and performs each element in streams. It transforms each element in a stream. Here, streams to uppercase is a method reference equivalent to here. Yeah, here we have the method name as strings to uppercase, strings to uppercase, strings to uppercase, strings to uppercase. This will convert Alice small letter Alice to capital letter Alice. Small letter means everything that is written in lowercase will be converted to uppercase. Yeah. Now coming here to collect. You have the collect. This will collect all the results from the streams. This will collect all the results from the stream and put them into a new list of strings. It will collect all the results from the streams and collect all the results from the map, and then that will convert into to put them into a list which is named by different name. Yeah, list that will collecting all the names that are converted to uppercase in the uppercase. Yeah. The terminal operation that collects it is the terminal. So finally, we can say that it is a terminal operation that collects results from the stream and put them into a new list having the uppercase only. Yeah. Now coming on to the system.println, and we have this uppercase, which is the message, which is written within double quotes, plus the upper name, which is a list of new list, which is a new list created for the lowercase list, and this is the uppercase list. Yeah. Now we have the following here. We can see that we have the output as uppercase list as when we are picking the uppercase number names list, this name list. We are seeing that every lowercase letters are converted to uppercase letters as Alice, Bob, and Charlie are in uppercase letters. Now we can see that original list it consisted of Alice, Bob, and Charlie. And providing the stream operation, we are providing the stream operations to this list, and then converting to this map where this string each data will be converted into map, and where each and every data will perform to uppercase, where all the functions will be performed on the string pointer string to uppercase. And then we have the transform list as Alice, Bob, and Charlie, which will be collected into collectors to list, collectors to list, and the final list upper name as the name is shown here. Alice, Bob, and Charlie are in uppercase letters. And so finally we can conclude that this is also that the map is used to transform each element in the stream. Map is used to transform each element in the stream. And method reference, string to uppercase. Coming here to our main program, you can watch. Yeah, string to uppercase. Yeah, this shorthand for lambda expression, calling a method. This is a shorthand for lambda expression for calling a method. And then collect. You have the collect here. This is a terminal operation that gathers all the results from the stream into a collections like list. Finally we can say it again that this is a terminal operation that gathers results from the stream into a collection like list, as the name is given as upper name. As the name is given as upper names, here all the names lowercase letters will be converted to uppercase letters, and they will finally collected. Now coming on to the end, we have the end of the class. We have seen that all these operations already. Yeah, to uppercase letters. Yeah. Now we are at the end of the class. Now say thanks. We will meet in the next class.